Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon 3D printer is a high-performance FDM printer designed for speed, precision, and professional-grade results. Its Core XY motion system with carbon rails and steel chassis achieves print speeds up to 500 mm per second. AI-powered automation includes LiDAR-based first layer inspection, dual automatic bed leveling, and real-time failure detection to prevent wasted filament. The all-metal hot end reaches 300 degrees Celsius, supporting abrasive and standard filaments. With the optional automatic material system, it prints up to 16 colors/materials. An enclosed chamber with carbon filtration, 1080p monitoring, and active vibration compensation ensures flawless, high-quality prints for advanced makers. Creality K1 Max. The Creality K1 Max is a high-speed FDM 3D printer designed for precision, speed, and reliability. With a large 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume and a robust Core XY system, it handles large prototypes and batch production effortlessly. Advanced AI features, including LiDAR and an AI camera, monitor adhesion, detect print failures, and enable time-lapse recording. The fully enclosed chamber with an air purifier ensures optimal conditions for temperature-sensitive filaments. Hands-free auto-leveling, a high-flow hot end, dual cooling fans, and G-sensor input shaping guarantee smooth high-speed printing. Smart connectivity via Wi-Fi, LAN, or USB adds convenience and remote control. Prusa Core 1. The Prusa Core 1 is a high-speed, fully enclosed Core XY 3D printer featuring a robust all-steel frame, active chamber temperature control, and seamless integration with the Prusa ecosystem. Its Core XY kinematics ensure fast, precise printing, while the Nextruder direct drive with 360 degrees cooling delivers reliable filament handling and superior overhangs. The printer offers fully automatic first layer calibration via a load cell sensor and supports over 200 filaments with a high temperature all-metal hot end. The enclosed, temperature-controlled chamber enables warp-free prints of demanding materials, and its open-source, upgradable design ensures long-term versatility, durability, and easy maintenance. Bambu Lab P2S. The Bambu Lab P2S3D printer is a high-speed enclosed FDM powerhouse built for precision, reliability, and versatility. Featuring a robust Core XY system, it prints at up to 600 mm per second with rapid acceleration, drastically reducing print times. The new PMSM Dynasense extruder ensures stable high-flow extrusion with real-time clog detection. Our eye-powered 1080p monitoring prevents failures, while the adaptive airflow system optimizes cooling for PLA or maintains a 50 degrees Celsius chamber for engineering filaments. Automatic calibration guarantees perfect layers, and optional AMS2 Pro support enables multicolor, multi-material printing. Hardened steel components ensure durability, even with abrasive filaments. Anycubic Kobra 3. The Anycubic Kobra 3 is a high-speed FDM 3D printer, offering automatic calibration, rapid print speeds up to 600 mm per second, and optional multicolor printing with the ACE Pro accessory. Its LevIQ 3.0 auto-leveling ensures precise bed leveling, flow calibration, and anti-ringing. The quick-release full-metal hot end reaches 300 degrees Celsius for PLA, PETG, TPU, and high-temp filaments. Dual Y-axis motors, lead screws, and precision bearings guarantee stability at high speeds. The flexible PEI spring steel build plate allows easy print removal. Optional AI monitoring, filament sensors, power loss recovery, and Anycubic cloud connectivity enhance reliability. A CE Pro enables 8-color printing, filament drying, and automatic spool changes.